me. He was already going. R.I.P. my lead. Let's see, I think I can take a shortcut. Wait, where the fuck is he? Oh, he's down here, I guess. Whereabouts is he? He's behind me. What? He's fucking behind me. What is this Goonie doing? Like, I think I know where he might be. If he's where I think he is, it's stupid. I don't know why he's there. Alright, one moment. Yeah, rest in peace, my time save. He's right over here! Damn it!
Sayonara!
Like, I don't know why that guy's over there. This is actually, like... This, I think, is actually messing me up right now. Oh, wait, he's down there? Why is he... Wait, what? I'm, like, actually clueless at the moment. I'm not sure what the hell is going on. It says he's right out there. Why is he out there? What is he doing there? Oh, you dumbass! Why are you up there? Wow, this is pretty bad. I have 5 minutes of wiggle room. So I'll just have to jump down there and get him. Go really slow. Come on. I need to jump off right here. Get him! Oh my god, no! There's no way I can do it. I can't do it. He's got full health. He's literally got full health and I can't do this. Oh my god! Kill myself. Just unbelievable. 2 hours in. No, it's the game didn't glitch. He's just this robot is a fucking idiot. No, 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 no. Okay. How much time do I have? 4 minutes. Okay, I can pull this off. Jump over there. Land on the rock. Land up here. Stop! Stop! Oh! Oh! No! You fell off, you dumbass! I can't do this. I can't do it. I've got like... I've still got 4 minutes. I've still got 4 minutes. Come on. And not only that, but like I still might be able to make up time if I go through this. But I just need to land like right on top of him. Land right on top of him. Right on top of him. Don't go! Don't go! Don't go! Don't go! Okay, stop! Stop! Yes! Yes! Do it! No, 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 don't, no, 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 what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? No, 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 don't do this to me. Don't do this to me! Why are you fucking tagging me? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why did you start attacking? I don't have enough health. No! I'm going backwards now. Oh shit, he fell off too! Oh! I can do this! I'm so close to dying. Oh! Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Grab the health. Grab the health. Where the fuck is he? Okay, he's back over here. How much time do I have left? 2 minutes! Did he fall back there? Okay, he didn't. Oh my god. Alright, he's not stuck anymore, guys. We got this. But I've got like 2 minutes to keep that sub 3 hour pace, yo. 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. Yeah, sure. Alright, where's he at? Oh, okay, there he is. Okay. Calm yourself. Come on, 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 come on. You got him, you got him, you got him, you got him, you got him! Yes! God, that was infuriating.